Today, we're diving into a new and exciting cryptocurrency, ZBCN, also known as Zebra Coin. So, what exactly is ZBCN? ZBCN stands for Zebra Coin, a fresh digital currency that's getting attention for being fast, easy to use, and community-driven. It was designed to make crypto simple, not just for techies, but for everyone. What can you do with ZBCN? ZBCN isn't just for holding. You can actually use it. Some examples include making quick payments online, sending money directly to friends or businesses, and even earning rewards in certain apps or platforms. Zebra Coin's goal is to make everyday crypto use as simple and smooth as possible. What makes ZBCN special? 1. Speed. Transactions are completed in just a few seconds. 2. Low fees. You won't be hit with expensive charges for sending coins. 3. Strong community. The team behind ZBCN works closely with users, and the community helps shape the project through voting. And that's what makes ZBCN unique. It's built with the people, for the people. Is ZBCN safe? Yes. ZBCN runs on secure blockchain technology. All transactions are public, encrypted, and tamper-proof, just like with Bitcoin, but using newer tech. Should you invest in ZBCN? That's up to you, and remember, this is not financial advice. But if you believe in the project and its potential, ZBCN could be a smart pick for long-term use or just daily crypto payments. To wrap it up, ZBCN, Zebra Coin, is fast, low-cost, secure, and simple to use. Whether you're new to crypto or looking for something more user-friendly, BCN is definitely worth checking out. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any crypto news.